I understand the heavy burden of despair and the sense of failure you might be feeling at the moment. We've all faced such moments in our lives. I have experienced that anguish myself, that I want to share a crucial insight I gained during my journey. Today, I live with happiness, comfort, and most importantly, financial freedom. Something you're likely striving for right now, correct? This transformation became possible for me when I uncovered the truth about the 9 money traps that elites, corrupt governments, and dishonest banks want us to believe. These deceptions keep most people ensnared in the darkness of poverty. Knowing the truth is a powerful tool, and it's time to expose these deceptions that perpetuate the cycle of lack and scarcity. Let's uncover these myths together that prevent us from thriving. Along this path, I will reveal the secrets that can free you from financial shackles and guide you towards a path of prosperity. Together, we will explore the territory of hidden truths about money and chart a new course in search of your financial independence. Let's start this journey now. But first, subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on future videos, and comment like this: "Money flows abundantly in my life." Just comment this: "Money flows abundantly in my life." Did you know that making positive affirmations attracts good things into our lives? So comment. When I see your comment, I'll give you a heart. Now that you've commented, let's continue. The first trap that keeps us in poverty is the belief that security lies in having a fixed job. We are constantly led to believe that we desperately need this security called a job. I remember the advice of my poor dad when being young and naive. I believed that school was the way to get a stable job. However, my rich dad challenged this distorted view of reality. He worked hard in various jobs, sweating it out, but he never managed to free himself from the chains that kept him stagnant. Ironically, his job became a prison that stifled his hopes of success. For him, the promise of a secure job was a cruel trap. But my rich dad, the one who saw beyond the curtains of illusion, never surrendered to this farce. He rejected the convention of traditional jobs, opting to create his own destiny. While many were trapped in jobs for others, he was building his own empire. Instead of being squeezed by high taxes, he navigated tax laws like a master strategist, accumulating wealth while others stumbled. My poor dad, like so many others, was shaped from birth to be just another cog in the job machine. However, my rich dad rose as an entrepreneur. He knew that true power lay in making money work for him, not the other way around. Thus, the tragedy becomes clear: an entire society trapped in the illusion of security, while few have the courage to defy the predetermined fate. Each one must choose whether to be the protagonist or simply a supporting character. In this relentless narrative, the second trap that keeps us in the poverty net is the belief that the secret to success is working tirelessly. My poor dad dedicated his entire life to hard work. He went to school because he was expected to learn something that would guarantee success. Then he got a job because he was told it was the right path. And he worked hard because he believed it was what he was supposed to do. However, his financial struggle persisted over the years, sometimes robbing him of joy. My rich dad, on the other hand, insisted that instead of just working hard, we should work smart. Working smart is not just about having others work for you, but about motivating people to put in their effort for your benefit. Additionally, it involves making money work for you, not the other way around. The proposal is clear. Instead of sacrificing our lives working hard for money, we should adopt a more perceptive approach, making money work hard for us. This is exactly what the rich do. In the wise words of Warren Buffett, "Enjoy what you know, and wealth will follow." It's time to break the illusion that success is synonymous with exhaustive effort. True triumph lies in channeling our energy intelligently, guiding not only our work, but also money in the pursuit of a more prosperous financial life. Before we move on to the third trap, subscribe to our channel, because when we record a new video, YouTube will notify you, and you'll get more quality content that will add a lot to your financial life. Now that you've subscribed, let's continue. The third trap that untangles us in financial misconceptions is the belief that all debt is harmful. The rich defying this idea often have debts, and many of them. However, the crucial difference lies in the assets backing these considerable debts. More than that, the rich not only have debts, but use them as tools to expand their wealth. The point of disagreement between the rich and the poor about debt is in understanding the reason behind it. Here is where the clear distinction between bad debt and good debt arises. Bad debt is the one that pushes us into poverty, like credit cards with exorbitant rates and loans to buy depreciating goods like cars, among others. These types of loans are destined for the acquisition of liabilities. Conversely, good debt is the one that enriches us, like loans to invest in properties or acquire equipment for a business, as these investments promise a financial return. This is the debt used to acquire assets. A clear example of good debt is my property ownership. By obtaining a loan from the bank, I can acquire a property by investing only a small percentage of my own money. Then I rent the property, and my tenant pays the loan while adding money to my pocket. Here, indebtedness becomes a sustainable cycle. Therefore, let's get rid of the illusion that all debt is harmful. In fact, when used discerningly, debt can be a powerful ally in the quest for financial prosperity. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far and want more topics like this, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell and comment the word "I want more." Just go ahead and type the word "I want more," so I know. The fourth trap that many embraces an illusory comfort is the belief that the government will take care of you in retirement. People delight in believing this fallacy, deluding themselves with the idea that the government can ensure their well-being in retirement. Only you hold that power. Blind trust in the government's ability to guarantee financial security and old age is a dangerous trap. The resources in the state coffers may seem abundant, but the reality is that the ultimate responsibility for your retirement rests with you, not the government. Do not underestimate the importance of taking the reins of your financial future. Instead of placing naive faith in governmental promises, seek strategies that allow you to build a safety net for yourself. Remember, on the journey towards retirement, financial autonomy is key, and this responsibility is exclusively yours, like this video, because whoever likes it will be the first millionaire in their family, so like it now. The fifth trap often repeated is the idea that money is not that important. While it is true that money is not the only aspect of life, its relevance is undeniable. The old saying goes that money can't buy happiness, but scientifically this statement is flawed. A meticulous study evaluated happiness through various metrics, including subjective responses, mental health, and individual economic behavior. The verdict is clear. Money provides a sense of tranquility and contributes to happiness. Whether we want to admit it or not, our relationship with money significantly shapes our lives. This understanding is something we often absorbed from childhood without questioning and consequently live unpredictably. Therefore, money often exerts influence over us in ways we do not comprehend, simply because we do not truly understand money and how it works. Our perception of money goes beyond the cliché that it is not everything in life. In reality, it plays a fundamental role in various spheres of our existence. Therefore, instead of minimizing its importance, it is crucial to understand how money operates in our lives, to make more informed decisions, and build a more conscious relationship with the much-discussed currency. If you've learned anything so far, please go to the comment and tell me what you've learned so others can learn from it. And when I see your comments, I will know you are wise and will give you a heart. Now that you've commented, let's continue. The sixth trap that permeates our beliefs is the notion that money is the root of all evil. The idea that money is not important often stems from the belief in its malicious nature. It is curious to note that it is often those who do not have money who vocalize this perspective. Unfortunately, my poor dad did not enjoy much happiness in his later days. I do not claim that money is the solution to all problems, but I'm convinced that if he were in a more stable financial situation, his happiness would also be at a higher level. My rich dad, on the other hand, adopted a different view of money. He considered it absurd to dedicate an entire life to hard work for money and pretend that it had no relevance. My rich dad believed that life was indeed more important than money, but he recognized the crucial importance of money to sustain life. Demystifying the belief that money is the root of all evil is essential for a clearer understanding of its role in our lives. Money itself is neither good nor bad. Its influence lies in the choices we make and the priorities we set. Adopting a more balanced approach to money can be the key to unlocking its true potential as a facilitator of a fuller and more fulfilled life. If you've been enjoying the content so far, please click the like button. And if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel and help us reach 100,000 subscribers. We're on our way there. Can I count on your help? If you already subscribed, comment "I subscribed." Just go ahead and comment "I subscribed." Thank you for doing that. Now that you've commented, let's continue. The seventh trap that permeates our beliefs is the notion that wealth is synonymous with the morality, just as the physical fitness of a runner is the result of a dedicated exercise regime. Generalizing morality based on the bank account balance is an unjust simplification of human complexity. The truth is that wealth alone does not determine a person's character. The rich can be altruistic, contributing significantly to society, just as there can be people with limited resources involved in questionable behaviors. My poor dad, for instance, always instructed me to follow the path of education as the best means to achieve success. He believed that this was the key to securing a good job. However, the dilemma lay in the fact that my poor dad, although highly educated, constantly complained about money and his lack of satisfaction in his job. On the other hand, my rich dad had no university degree, but was incredibly rich and successful. My rich dad used to say that school prepares us to be employees. If all you want is a job, school is the right place. However, the educational system does not equip students to manage their finances independently. Instead, we are conditioned to be employees rather than entrepreneurs, to be workers rather than innovators. Therefore, it is imperative to broaden our understanding of education, recognizing that it does not end in formal classrooms. The pursuit of financial knowledge and the development of entrepreneurial skills are equally essential for building a successful life. The eighth trap that holds us is the victim mentality. Those who constantly place themselves in the role of victims tend to attract more negativity into their lives. My poor dad, for example, often saw himself as a victim of circumstances, while my rich dad always believed he was the architect of his own destiny. Adopting this mentality is what will sooner or later result in wealth and personal success. Distancing yourself from those who have the habit of victimizing themselves is crucial. Perhaps you've heard the saying, "Luck happens when opportunity meets preparation." I completely agree with that. Now, go to the comment and type this. Luck happens when opportunity meets preparation. Just go ahead and type this. Luck happens when opportunity meets preparation. When I see your comment, I will know you are wise and will give you a heart. Now that you've commented, let's continue. I believe that what really happens is that those who complain didn't take steps to transform their destiny. If you want to attract luck, prepare yourself for something great to happen. For a while it was said that taking responsibility is a bad thing. So you are blind to realize what really is a great opportunity. Give your luck the chance it needs to play a role in your life. No one can do this for you. When you realize it's your turn to provoke your luck, you'll start thinking and seeing things in a completely new way. The path to success always begins with creative and positive thinking. Now let's identify another trap that might be holding us back in the web of poverty. The ninth trap we need to avoid is the belief that investing is a game of luck. Many believe that to do well in the investment world, you need to be lucky, or that it is too risky or terrain to venture into. This thinking is dangerously limiting. Investing is not a game of chance. It is a strategic process that can be learned and improved with knowledge and practice. My poor dad, for example, always saw investing as a lottery, believing that only the lucky ones did well. He preferred to keep his money safe in the bank, where it was eroded by inflation and barely earned interest. My rich dad, on the other hand, understood that knowledge and strategy were the keys to successful investing. He studied the market, followed trends, and diversified his investments. He was not swayed by fear or luck. He made informed decisions. Investing smartly means continually educating yourself about the market, understanding the risks, and planning for the long term. It is not about blindly betting, but making choices based on data and analysis. By treating investments as a game of luck, we deprive ourselves of the opportunity to grow financially and achieve the freedom we so desire. Therefore, believe in your ability to learn and master the world of investments. Study, consult experts, diversify, and above all, be patient. Wealth does not come overnight, but from consistency and applied knowledge over time. Let's uncover this new trap together and transform it into an opportunity to build a more solid and prosperous financial future. Thinking creatively is finding solutions easily for any obstacle that may arise on your path to success and financial prosperity. Being brave does not mean the absence of fear, but moving forward despite fear. Being brave implies the continuous pursuit of your goals, never giving up. Giving up is for the weak, and you are not weak. If you are facing big financial problems, you are facing great opportunities. Challenges and setbacks are part of the game. Let me tell you a secret: your mind is at its sharpest during crises. Now go to the comment and type this. My mind is at its sharpest during crises. Just go ahead and comment this. My mind is at its sharpest during crises. When I see your comment, I will know you are following and will give you a heart. Now that you've commented, let's continue. If you are not facing big challenges, you are choosing the easy path, which may not be as valuable and probably will not lead you to great financial achievements. Sometimes a big problem signals a significant opportunity. Be ready to put in hard work on long and intense journeys to achieve your goals. Confidence in yourself would be the next step. Create your own path. Do not follow the crowd and persevere in your own goals. Never give up and avoid settling in the comfort zone. A complacent attitude will not get you anywhere. Be passionate. If you love what you do, it will never feel like work. Visualize yourself as a winner. This will keep your focus in the right direction and feed your belief in yourself. If you don't do this, no one will think of yourself as a one-man army. Do not forget this. If this video added value to you, then share it with 3 friends who will surely thank you for it. If you watch until now, it means that you are truly a focused person and will achieve all the success you aim for soon. So let me know who you are. Do this by commenting. I stayed until the end. When I see this comment, I will know that you are someone who has focus and dedication. There are 3 more important steps you need to take in order to be successful in life. First, you like this video. Second, subscribe to this channel. And thirdly, turn on the notification bell. If you do this, I will continue to bring you life-transformative information every week for free. Don't miss out on future videos where we'll be dishing out even more golden nuggets of knowledge. All I'm asking for is your subscription. Thank you for that. I really appreciate it. Now here's the finishing touch. Ever wondered how to leverage the power of AI to skyrocket your YouTube channel and monetize your content like a pro? If you're ready to take your channel to the next level and want personalized mentorship, send us a message via our official email listed in the description below. Let's turn your YouTube dreams into reality together. I highly recommend watching our next video and do not hesitate to share this video. It may help someone. If you enjoyed this video, it's likely because you recognize the importance of improving your financial situation. But you might be wondering, how do you actually go about achieving financial success and building generational wealth? That's where I can help. I'll guide you through the steps to financial success. For detailed insights, I encourage you to click on this video right here. How to break the cycle of poverty to riches, which will surely add a lot of value to your financial life. Thank you for tuning in. Your support fuels our passion for creating impactful content. You are the real money makers. Go watch it now. We love you.